Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Math Shala. We are looking into the solution to RD Sharma exercise problems, and this is the part 3 of exercise 9.6 of arithmetic progression chapter. Let us begin this part and look into the problems of exercise 9.6 part 3. First question of this part of video is going to be question number 6. Find the sum of first 20 terms of the sequence whose nth term is given as an equal to an plus b. Here, instead of giving a particular number, he has mentioned it as an plus b, that is nth term is given. Remember one thing, whenever nth term is given, we need to just modify the sequence, sum of sequence formula. Let us see how we can do that. When only first term and nth terms are given, we'll use the formula Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an. This is nothing but the slightly modified formula of our original formula, that is Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is just a little modified formula. Here what is given to us is an, that is nth term, an equal to capital A into n plus capital B. Substituting 1 in place of n in order to get the first term, because in this formula you can see what are required to us. We need n, which is known, that is first 20 means n will be 20. We know nth term, that is an equal to this whole term, but we don't know a, that is first term. So in order to calculate the first term, I'll substitute 1 in place of n here. Therefore a1 is equal to capital A plus b, that is a plus b I'll be getting as the first term. Substituting all the known values here in this formula, we'll get S20 is equal to 20 by 2. In place of A, that is A plus B, I'll substitute this plus as it is. In place of AN, I'll substitute AN plus B. Here in place of BN, I'll substitute 20 because we need sum up to 20 terms. Therefore, simplifying this, 20 by 2 will give me 10. And we can see here, this is 20A and one more A, that will be 21A. And this is B plus B, that is 2B. Therefore, sum of 20 terms of this sequence is going to be 210a. When I multiply this 10 inside this bracket, it will be 210a plus 20b. Next question is question number 7, which says find the sum of first 25 terms of an AP whose nth term is given by an equal to 2 minus 3n. Again, we'll solve this problem similar to the problem we just solved as question number 6. Note on the given data, an is given to us, that is 2 minus 3n. Applying the same formula again, Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an. If you observe here, I need n value, I need a value, that is first term, and I need n an value, that is last term, that is 25th term I need. So we'll calculate first these values, that is first term a1 is equal to 2 minus 3 into 1, that will give me minus 1. And n value I know, that is 25, because I need to calculate sum of first 25 terms. And I need an now, that is a25. I'll calculate that. 2 minus 3 into 25 will give me minus 73 here. Therefore, substituting these three values in this equation, I can get sum of 25 terms. That is S25 is equal to, wherever n is there, I'll put 25. 25 by 2 into a is minus 1, and in place of an I'll substitute minus 73. That will give me 25 by 2 into minus 74. I can cancel out this 74 by 2, that will be minus 37. Therefore, S25 is equal to 25 into minus 37, that will give me minus 925. Coming to next question, question number 8. Find the sum of first 25 terms of an AP whose nth term is given by an is equal to 7 minus 3n. This is exactly the problem as previous problem, that is question number 7. Here only an value is changed, that is term an has been changed. So let us note on all the given data, an is equal to 7 minus 3n. As we know already, we need first term, we need nth term, and we need n value. First term is, I can calculate as 7 minus 3 into 1, that is going to give me as answer as 4, and n we know, that is 25, and nth term, that is 25th term, I can get as 7 minus 3 into 25, which will give me minus 68. Substituting all the values in this formula, that is Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n by 2 into a plus an, 25 by 2 into 4 minus 68. Simplifying this, 25 by 2 I'll keep as it is. 4 minus 68 will give me minus 64. Cancelling out this 64 by 2, I'll get answer as minus 32. Therefore, sum of 25 terms of this AP is going to be minus 800. Coming to last question of this part of video, that is question number 9. If the sum of a certain number of terms, we don't know how many number of terms, starting from first term of an AP is given as 25, 22, 19 and so on. Sum of certain number of terms of this AP is 116. We don't know how many terms. Now we need to find the last term of this AP, means up to how many terms we need to add in order to get 116 as a answer. That we will calculate. Let us see how we can do that. Let us note on the given data. We have been given with AP, that is 25, 22, 19 and so on. In this first term A or A1 is 25 and the common difference D is equal to 22 minus 25, that will give me minus 3. Now he has also given us that the sum of n terms, that is Sn is equal to 116. We need to calculate this value of n here. Applying the same formula, Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substituting all the known values, in place of Sn I'll put 116, n by 2 I'll keep as it is because the n value I don't know. 2 into a value I know, that is 25, I'll put it here, plus n minus 1 I'll keep as it is because n value again I don't know. D value minus 3 I'll substitute here. For the simplifying, taking these two on the left side of equal sign, this is in the denominator. When it goes to the left side, it will come in the numerator, that is 116 into 2, that will give me 232 here. That is equal to, here only n will be left, n into 25 into 2 is 50. I'm just considering all the operations inside this bracket. 25 into 2 is 50, and when I multiply this minus 3 to this whole term, that is n minus 1, it will be minus 3n, minus of minus will be plus 3 into 1 is 3 here. Further simplifying, 232 equal to n into 50 plus 3 is 53 minus 3n as it is. Now taking this n inside the bracket, 232 is equal to 53n minus 3n square here. Further, I'll just bring all the terms at one side. Therefore, bringing this minus 3n on the left side, it will become plus 3n minus this plus 53. When I bring it on the left side, it will be minus 53n plus 232 equal to 0. Now solving this quadratic equation, 3n square minus 53n plus 232. We are going to divide this minus 53 in such a manner that after multiplying we need to get the answer equal to product of these two terms, that is 232 into 3. That much product I should get, and their sum should be equal to 53n. Hope you know how to solve this, breaking this problem, like solving the quadratic equation. I'm just going to get answer as minus 29n and minus 24n. When I add this, I will get minus 53n, and when I multiply these two terms, that is going to be equal to product of these two terms, that is 232 into 3. Now in these two terms I can take n common here. You can observe, if I take n common, that will be 3n minus 29, and if I take 8 common in these two terms, that will be 3n minus 29 again. Now taking 3n minus 29 common from these two terms, you can see here 3n minus 29 I am taking common, and that will be n minus 8, that will equal to 0. Now if product of these two terms is going to be equal to 0, either this term should be 0 or this term should be 0. Let us equate to 0 one by one. 3n minus 29 equal to 0 or n minus 8 equal to 0. If I solve this for n, I'll get answer as 29 by 3. N cannot be a fraction because it has to be a whole number, because n is number of terms, means which term I need to calculate, that is the case, because of which it cannot be fraction, it has to be a whole number. So I'm getting answer as n equal to 8. Means if I add 8 terms from beginning of this AP, I'll get answer as 116. Now I need to find that 8th term, because he has asked me to find the last term. Therefore what I'll do is I'll consider an, that is a8. We know that an formula a plus n minus 1 into d, so I need to calculate a8 here. A8 is equal to 25 plus 8 minus 1 into d. D is minus 3. Therefore A8 is equal to 25. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 into minus 3 is minus 21. Therefore 8th term A8 I will get as 25 minus 21. That is going to give me answer as 4. Therefore 8th term of this AP is going to be equal to 4. With this, we are going to end this part of exercise 9.6. Hope you like the video. Have a good day and thanks for watching the video.